The key difference between misinformation and disinformation lies in intent. Misinformation is false or misleading information that is spread without the intent to deceive. It often happens when people unknowingly share incorrect facts or rumors. For example, if someone mistakenly shares an outdated news article thinking it is current, that is misinformation. Disinformation, on the other hand, is deliberately false information created and spread with the intent to mislead or manipulate. This is often used in propaganda, scams, or in political deception. For example, a fake news story designed to influence public opinion in disinformation. Both can spread rapidly, especially on social media, making it essential to fact check information before sharing.